How to limit responses in Google Forms. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you creating a Google form and you don't want the same person to fill the form twice, thrice? Then you're in the right place. I'll teach you how you can limit a person to only one response. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then go to the Google Forms that you have created. Then on the top, you can see three options: questions, responses, and settings. Go to settings and then scroll down and you can see limit to one response. So toggle this on, but keep in mind that the person will require to sign in this option. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.